Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into some incredible ways you can make quick money from trash. Yes, you heard that right, trash. We're talking about turning your old junk into stacks of cash. I'm talking about those old phones collecting dust in your drawer, that broken lampshade you've been meaning to fix, even that rusty old bicycle in the garage. It's time to stop thinking of it as garbage and start seeing the dollar signs. We're going to break down 3 awesome methods to turn that trash into treasure, and trust me, you won't want to miss this. So, buckle up, smash that like button, and let's get started. First up, we have recycling old electronics. Many people don't realize that their old gadgets can be worth a lot of money. Inside those dusty old phones and laptops are precious metals like gold and silver, just waiting to be extracted. Instead of letting them gather dust, you can sell them to specialized recyclers who will pay you for the valuable materials inside. We're talking about turning that old iPhone 4 you have lying around into a brand new pair of headphones or even a weekend getaway. And it's not just phones. We're talking laptops, tablets, cameras, gaming consoles. You name it. If it's electronic and you don't use it anymore, chances are someone will pay you for it. There are tons of websites and local shops that buy old electronics. So do your research and find the best deals in your area. You can even turn it into a fun side hustle, collecting old electronics from friends and family and cashing in. Remember, one person's trash is another person's treasure, especially when it comes to electronics. Next, let's talk about upcycling furniture. With a little creativity and effort, you can turn old, unwanted furniture into beautiful, sellable pieces. That old dresser with the chipped paint, sand it down, give it a fresh coat, and boom, you've got a vintage chic masterpiece. Think about it. People spend thousands of dollars on unique handcrafted furniture. Why not tap into that market with your own creations? You can find hidden gems for dirt cheap at thrift stores, garage sales, or even on the side of the road. Get those creative juices flowing. Imagine turning an old tire into a funky coffee table or repurposing wooden pallets into a stylish bookshelf. The possibilities are endless, and the best part, you don't need to be a professional carpenter to make amazing transformations. There are countless tutorials and DIY videos online to guide you through every step. So grab your tools, unleash your inner artist, and turn trash into cash, one upcycled masterpiece at a time. Chapter 3, Scrap Metal, the Hidden Gold Mine. Finally, we have collecting and selling scrap metal. This is a tried and true method that can bring in some serious cash if you know what you're doing. We're talking about copper pipes, aluminum cans, old car parts, anything metal that's just taking up space. Scrapyards are always looking for metals to recycle, and they're willing to pay for it. The prices fluctuate depending on the type of metal and the market, but there's always money to be made. Start by gathering scrap metal around your house. Then expand your search to friends, family, and even your neighborhood. You'd be surprised how much scrap metal people are willing to give away for free. Once you've collected a good amount, it's time to sort it. Different metals have different values, so separating them will maximize your earnings. Then load it up and take it to your local scrapyard. Remember to be safe. Always wear gloves and protective gear when handling scrap metal, and make sure you have the proper transportation to haul it away. So there you have it, folks. 3 easy ways to make quick money from trash. Give these a try and let us know how it goes in the comments below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. We're all about finding creative ways to make money, and turning trash into cash is a win-win. You're decluttering your life, helping the environment, and putting some extra cash in your pocket. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more awesome tips and tricks. See you next time.